Let's be real. Glass skin is the ultimate skincare goal: smooth, poreless, radiant, and deeply hydrated. Korean beauty secrets focus on nourishing the skin from within, using natural remedies that restore balance, glow, and elasticity. With these 15 powerful DIY techniques, flawless, dewy skin is achievable in just 7 days. Tips 1. Double cleansing for a perfect base. Korean skincare always starts with double cleansing. First, an oil cleanser dissolves makeup, sunscreen, and excess sebum. Follow this with a gentle foam or gel cleanser to remove dirt and impurities. Cleansing properly ensures your skin absorbs maximum benefits from the next steps. Tips 2. Exfoliation with rice water. Rice water has been a Korean beauty staple for centuries. It brightens the skin, refines texture, and removes dead cells. To make rice water, rinse half a cup of rice, soak it in water for 30 minutes, strain, and use the liquid as a gentle exfoliating toner. Pat it onto the skin and let it absorb naturally. Tips 3. Hydration boost with sheet masks. Hydration is key to glass skin. A DIY sheet mask made with aloe vera gel and honey deeply hydrates and soothes. Dip cotton pads into the mixture, apply them to your face for 15 minutes, and let the skin drink in the moisture. Tips 4. Glow-boosting beauty fruits. Fruits like oranges, strawberries, and persimmons are rich in vitamin C, helping to brighten and even out skin tone. Avocados and bananas deeply hydrate for soft, plump skin, while watermelon keeps your complexion fresh and dewy. Tips 5. The 7 Skin Method for ultimate glow. The 7 Skin Method involves applying toner in multiple thin layers instead of one thick application. Use a homemade toner with green tea or rose water and pat it onto your skin 7 times. This technique locks in moisture, leaving the skin plump and dewy. Tip 6. Ice water splash for a fresh glow. For an instant skin refresh, try the ice water splash method. Just fill a bowl with cold water and a few ice cubes, then splash your face a few times. This helps tighten pores, reduce puffiness, and give your skin a fresh, glowing look. Tip 7. Yogurt and turmeric brightening mask. Yogurt is rich in probiotics that nourish the skin, while turmeric helps brighten and even out the complexion. Mix 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt with a pinch of turmeric and apply a thin layer to your face. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. This simple mask reduces dullness and gives your skin a healthy, natural glow. Tips 8. Facial steaming for deep cleansing. Facial steaming helps open up pores, remove impurities, and boost circulation for glowing skin. Boil water and pour it into a bowl. Lean over it with a towel over your head for 5 to 10 minutes. This will help your skin absorb skincare products better and give you a fresh, dewy look. Tips 9. Potato for clear skin. Try using potato juice for acne scars and dark spots. Grate a raw potato, squeeze out the juice, and apply it to the affected areas with a cotton pad. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. Potatoes can help soothe the skin, reduce puffiness, and keep it hydrated with regular use. Tips 10. Honey and rose water lip mask. For soft, pink lips, mix 1 teaspoon of honey with a few drops of rose water. Apply this soothing mask to your lips and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off. Honey hydrates while rose water brightens and refreshes. Tips 11. Honey and yogurt hydration mask. Honey helps keep your skin moisturized, and yogurt gently removes dead skin to make it brighter. Mix 1 teaspoon of honey with 2 teaspoons of yogurt, apply it to your face, and wash it off after 15 minutes for soft, glowing skin. Tips 12. DIY sleeping mask with aloe and vitamin E. A sleeping mask deeply nourishes the skin overnight. Mix aloe vera gel with a few drops of vitamin E oil, apply a thin layer before bed, and wake up with softer, plumper skin. Tips 13. DIY essence with cucumber and hyaluronic acid. Korean skincare relies heavily on essences for hydration and skin repair. Blend cucumber juice with a capsule of hyaluronic acid serum, apply it before your moisturizer, and pat it in gently for deep hydration. Tips 14. Ice cube skin refresh. Rubbing an ice cube on your face helps reduce puffiness, tighten pores, and give your skin an instant refreshed look. Wrap an ice cube in a soft cloth and gently glide over your face in circular motions for a cooling effect. Tips 15. Facial massage for circulation. Korean beauty emphasizes facial massage to enhance blood flow, sculpt the face, and improve absorption of skincare products. Use gentle upward strokes with your fingers or a jade roller, focusing on the cheeks, jawline, and forehead. Use any one tip from the following tips and add them into your skincare routine 2 to 4 times a week. Always remember to do the patch test before applying it your face. Stick to the routine, and the results will speak for themselves. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.